Hello viewers, welcome to Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. Viewers, I am Vidyashree from Karnataka. I am presenting this video for you to write Kannada and pronounce Kannada, helping you to learn Kannada reading and writing through our Learn Kannada International YouTube channel. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Hello viewers, today we learn A to Au. These 13 vowels are called Swaragalu in Kannada. Next we learn Yoga Vahakagalu. These are two Yoga Vahakagalu. First one is This is Anuswara. Second one is Aha. This is Visarga. Hello viewers. Today we learn ಯೋಗ ವಾಹಕಗಳು ಅನುಸ್ವಾರ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಸರ್ಗ. ಅನುಸ್ವಾರ This is our first letter alphabet A. This is a 0. We call Usually we use it to help us make sentence. Okay. Angi. Angi means shirt. Anda. Anda means blind. Anuswara means according to. Okay. Aha. We called Visarga. Usually we said okay. And these are Yoga Vahakagalu. I don't know in English what is Yoga Vahakagalu, but in Kannada we called Yoga Vahakagalu. This is a helping letters. Okay. And Aha. This is the first letter our Kannada alphabet. Okay. And these are Yoga Vahakagalu. And this is helping words.